Hello and welcome back. Today, let's look at yet another tool that is widely used in the corporate world. Now, if you are a team lead, manager, or someone who is working closely with the manager, then this is for you. Because on an average, most of you are spending about 7 to 10 hours a week on this particular tool. So, do not miss out because this particular video of 5 to 10 minutes can save you 5 to 10 hours every week. Stay tuned. Before we begin with how to use Copilot with PowerPoint, let's see some of the important stats, right? I just asked how much time do corporate employees spend on creating presentation. And you can see often it is 7 to 20 hours per week, with many studies finding employees spend 100 plus hours annually, with a large chunk, around 8 hours a month, dedicated just to formatting, leading to significant productivity drain on core tasks, though it varies greatly by role and project. Okay, per project around 7 hours, per month around 20 hours, annually up to 100 to 150 hours. Leadership roles over 10% of the time, with 28.7% spending 5 plus hours weekly. Now, let's see how we can use Copilot to reduce these hours drastically. If you're on the PowerPoint app or on cloud, which is powerpoint.cloud.microsoft, you have this option of create a blank presentation. And when you click on that, it opens a new presentation and it'll ask you whether you want to create new presentation or you want to create a new presentation with file. Okay, so let's begin with this one and then go to this one. So I'll say new presentation. I'm going to ask Copilot to create a presentation about how Copilot can increase the efficiency of corporate employees while using Microsoft 365 products. Okay, you can also change the design from here. If you go here, whatever recent you have used will be shown here. If you have any templates from your organization, you can see that over here. If you go to Microsoft 365, you can have some designs from Microsoft 365 as well. Okay, so I am going to go with this particular one and select design. And once you have added all the details over it, up to 2000 characters, you can hit this icon, which is enter. Now it has got all the details like this, like introduction to Copilot and Microsoft 365 integration, automating routine tasks for increased productivity, enhancing data analysis and decision making, improving collaboration and communication, and so on and so forth. And it says estimated number of slides is 19, but it could go maximum to 40 slides. Now you also have image settings. One of the option is image from Microsoft 365 content library. The other one is images from your organization's brand library. The third one is image from both Microsoft 365 and your own organization, right? Now let's go ahead with the first option and click on generate slides. So you can see here it has started creating all the slides for us one by one. It's gone beyond 19, right? And this happens generally. So when it gives an estimation, it will be around 15 to 18, 19 or something like that, but it generally goes beyond it. Okay, you can see here. So enhancing corporate efficiency with Copilot in Microsoft 365 applications, we have 2. Then introduction, we have 3. Then automating routine tasks for increased productivity, we have 4. Likewise, we have 4 for this one, this one, this one. And finally, it gives a conclusion. So we've got overall 22 slides, right? So if you feel this is good, then you can keep it, right? I'll click on keep it and let's go to home. And now we can go to this particular view where we can see all the slides on the left and editing mode in the center. And if you want to change the designs, you can also see some design suggestions on the right side. Okay, so this is what we've got along with the images and all the details that we asked for. If you feel that you need something in between, okay, let's say for example, conclusion, right? It says enhanced efficiency, automation of tasks, improved collaboration, security, and empowerment, right? Now, we'll come back to this in a while. Before that, we'll create a presentation using the file. So I'll go back to file, click on new, blank presentation. I'll go with create a new presentation with file. And as we have seen before, we can use the to attach any files. I'll search for work, and I've got this particular file. So work-life balance in the corporate world. Okay, so you can see we could have attached up to 5 files. And now I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to change the template. Let's say this one, or maybe this one, right? And click on enter. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so you can see it says defining work-life balance and its significance, challenges faced in the corporate environment, effective strategies for employees, employer initiatives for work-life balance, leadership influence on work-life balance, real-world examples of work-life balance initiative. Now, if I want anything more, I could just click on this and say add topic about conclusion. Okay, so let's hit enter, and you can see that that's been added. Conclusion and key takeaways, summary of major points, long-term benefits of work-life balance, action steps for sustained improvement. Again, the same image settings, and we go to generate slides. If you have missed anything in between, you could stop it. Okay, we will leave it as is so it can generate all the slides for us. And there you go. You can see all of this coming in over here. So overall, it has generated 20 slides. I'll click on keep it, and we'll go back to this particular option, and you can see here. So the first one is work-life balance strategies for corporate professionals. Then agenda overview. What is the agenda of this particular slides? Right, defining work-life balance and its significance. And then we have few pointers and so on and so forth. Right, so all the way until thank you for your attention. Like we asked it to add, it has added conclusion and key takeaways, and summary of major points, long-term benefits of work-life balance, and action steps for sustained improvement. So if you already have a file which has some information which you want to convert into PowerPoint, then you could use this method for it. Not just that, now let's assume that after agenda overview, you want to add any slide. What you can do is you can click on this one and you can go to add a slide. It'll ask you what is the topic that you want to add over here, right? Now let's assume after this particular slide, I want to add a slide, and that is going to be about case study, and that's going to be about case study on work-life balance, right? So it's going to add one slide on any case study about work-life balance. Let's wait and watch. Now you can see that it has added one slide exactly on what we asked for. Now we also have one more option, which is add a topic. Now if I ask it to add a topic on work-life balance case study, right, and click on enter, it'll add multiple slides instead of just one. Okay, you can see here work-life balance, a case study approach, background and definition of work-life balance, case study example, implementing flexible hours, lessons learned and best practices, right? So if you want all of these 3 slides to be added, you could just click on generate slides. I'll skip it for now. Let's go back to our previous file. So open, so enhancing corporate efficiency, that this is what we had. I'll click on this one, and we have an option of summarize this presentation, right? This will come up only after a presentation is created and ready, right? So if it is not available in your case, just refresh your screen and this should be available. Click on summarize this presentation, and it will go through the entire presentation and give you the details. You can see here summary, enhancing corporate efficiency with Copilot in Microsoft 365 applications, seamless integration and capabilities, automating routine tasks, enhancing data analysis and decision making. Now you can also ask it to do any further things, right? Like give me the summary in 5 points. There you go, right? It has also given us further suggestions as to what we can ask. Of course, it is left to us. Now let's go back to this one, and you have an option of translate this presentation, right? You could translate the entire presentation into some other language, or if you want, you can select a particular text, click on this one, right, and translate this into some other language. Let's say, for example, I'll say translate this to Hindi. Improving collaboration. So you can see here, it has translated into Hindi. Not just that, you can go to any of the slides, select a particular text that you want, and you can ask it to auto write, condense, make professional, or you can give your own statements as well, your own prompt basically, right? And this could be done with any of the sentences or topics that you have in slides. Not just that, you should also be able to change the images. And if you want to change the image, then you can always go over here and use the designer tool to make any changes. So create images from a description, right? So all of this can be done by just asking Copilot what exactly you are looking for. Now we also have option to ask Copilot anything here. Like we saw, summarize this presentation, generate a script for this presentation, what are the key takeaways from this presentation, suggest some Q&As, how can Copilot help, and so on and so forth. Let's quickly go with generate a script for this presentation. Okay, and you can see that it has started working. So based on this entire presentation that we have got, it will generate the script so that we as a presenter can actually use this script. Okay, you can see here. Let's explore how Copilot enhances real-time collaboration within Microsoft Teams and SharePoint. First, Copilot enables seamless document. So we also have Ask Copilot Anything, and these are the options available. Again, if you ask any of this, it will be for the present slide, whatever you are active on, right? So let's go to Copilot, click on Start a new chat, and here we will ask generate a script for this presentation. Okay, so what it basically does is it gives a script for this entire presentation from a presenter's point of view. Okay, if it's here, slide 1, enhancing corporate efficiency with Copilot in Microsoft 365 application. Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be exploring how Copilot integrated within Microsoft 365 applications is transforming the way organizations operate. Our focus is on boosting productivity through AI-powered workplace tools and how these innovations can help us work smarter, not harder. Okay. Likewise, for each of the slides, it has given us some script so that we can go through it and present this for our audience. Now, I hope you have started seeing the power of Copilot in the PowerPoint world. If you have been creating presentations manually, please stop it right now and start using Copilot. The power will enhance your productivity to the next level. And don't keep this secret with yourselves. Please share it with your colleagues, friends, and families so that they can enhance their productivity too. Let's learn and grow together. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.